Have you ever been in an office building where every department has its own floor? HR is in one floor, finance is in another floor, IT somewhere else. Everyone's in the same building but separated so things don't get mixed up. That's exactly what VLAN does inside a network. What is a VLAN? VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. Normally, if all the computers connected to the same switch, they are in same big network and everyone can talk to everyone. But what if you don't want this? What if finance computers should only talk to finance computers and HR should only talk to HR? Instead of buying separate switches, we create virtual networks inside one switch. That's a VLAN. It logically separates the traffic, even though devices are connected to the same physical hardware. VLAN trunking. Now, here's the catch. Sometimes traffic from multiple VLANs needs to travel across a single connection between switches. That's where trunking comes in. With a standard called 802.1q, VLANs tag the traffic with ID numbers. So, if the data is from VLAN 10, it carries a tag saying I am VLAN 10 traffic. The next switch sees the tag and delivers it to the right VLAN. It's like putting department names on envelopes. So, when the mailman carries all the letters together, he still knows which letter belongs to which floor. Why enterprises use VLANs? Enterprises love VLANs because they bring order and security. They reduce unnecessary traffic. Finance computers don't get spammed with HR data. They improve security. Sensitive departments can be isolated from regular staff. They simplify management. Admins can move users between VLANs without changing physical cables. Just reconfigure the switch. How VLANs are attacked. Now, in cybersecurity, nothing is perfect. VLANs can also be attacked. The most common attack is VLAN hopping. Here, an attacker tricks the switch into thinking that traffic belongs to the different VLAN. It's like sneaking into finance floor even though you're working in HR department. This allows hackers to bypass isolation and reach networks they shouldn't have access to. That's why SOC teams pay close attention to misconfigured VLANs. They are a common weak spot. Conclusion. So, here's the takeaway. A VLAN is just a way to split one physical network into multiple virtual networks. Trunking with 802.1q. Make sure VLAN's traffic is delivered to the right switches. Enterprises use VLANs for efficiency, security, and organization. But if misconfigured, VLANs can be abused by attackers through VLAN hopping. So, the next time you look at enterprise network diagrams or SOC alerts, you will know exactly what those VLAN numbers mean and why they matter.